where everyone else gets their apps from, is from his database.
No, that's that hole, buddy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. That's the hole we avoid.
There's not that much water in it.
Just as much water as was in at the time I got stuck, Lee.
Yeah, but now we know how to use it. 8-8 said he's coming to pull us out.
8-8's,
We'll be here till 10.
Brett would never hear the end of it.
Ben and Josh are closer.
Is Ben's Bronco scratched up, or is it like
Neither. Just old paint. Low. See if we're going to rock crawling.
Mud to rock, mud to rock.
I don't want to go over that stairs.
That'd be a... Ooh, thank you, miss.
For some reason, the 4 high, the slip dip bull crap kicks in. The traction control, and makes it hard for me to do some holes. So I put it in 4 low, it doesn't do that.